Benefits of chia seeds. Omega-3 acids. Chia seed has higher levels of alpha-linolenic acid (ALA) than flax seed. ALA is an essential acid because it is not produced by the body. In fact, chia seeds have the highest known whole food source levels of omega-3 acids, as measured by percent of weight. These oils, unsaturated fatty acids, are the essential oils your body needs to help emulsify and absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. When there are rich amounts of linoleic acid sufficiently supplied to the body through diet, linoleic and arachidonic acids can be synthesized from linoleic acid. Unsaturated fatty acids are essential for normal glandular activity, especially of the adrenal glands and the thyroid gland. They nourish the skin cells and are essential for healthy mucous membranes and nerves. The unsaturated fatty acids function in the body by cooperating with vitamin D in making calcium available to the tissues, assisting in the assimilation of phosphorus, and stimulating the conversion of carotene into vitamin A. Fatty acids are related to normal functioning of the reproductive system. Chia seeds contain beneficial long-chain triglycerides (LCT) in the right proportion to reduce cholesterol on arterial walls. Antioxidants. Chia is a great natural source of antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin and flavonols. Low in sodium and cholesterol-free chia contains less than half the sodium of flax seed per serving. This is important to those with high blood pressure and concerned about sodium intake. As a plant-based source of omega-3, chia is cholesterol-free. Promotes hydration. One of the exceptional qualities of the chia seed is its hydrophilic properties, having the ability to absorb more than 12 times its weight in water. Its ability to hold on to water offers prolonged hydration. Fluids and electrolytes provide the environment that supports the life of all the body's cells. Their concentration and composition are regulated to remain as constant as possible. When you eat chia seeds, there is a greater efficiency in the utilization of body fluids, and the electrolyte balance is maintained. Helps in weight loss. Chia is very filling. As more chia is eaten, there's less room for fattening foods. Stabilizes blood sugar. Chia seed reduces blood glucose swings and supports conditions of hypoglycemia and diabetes. Chia's soluble fiber exerts a stabilizing influence on blood glucose levels by regulating the rate at which complex carbohydrates are digested and assimilated in the body. This creates steady, stable blood glucose levels, which also means steady, high energy levels. Builds endurance. The Mayan word for chia is strength. Chia builds stamina and endurance because it steadily releases slow-burning glucose into the bloodstream. Energy. Chia has a high energy-to-weight ratio, more than wheat, corn, rice or oats, that makes it a favorite choice of long-distance runners and other athletics. Source of fiber. Chia seed produces a thick mucilage in water, absorbing up to 30 times its weight in water. This soluble fiber cleans the intestines by binding and transporting debris from the intestinal walls so that it can be eliminated efficiently and regularly. A daily dose of chia seed provides an excellent fiber source, and most people notice a difference in less than a week. Efficient assimilation. As a source of protein, chia seed is digested and absorbed very easily. This results in rapid transport to the tissues and utilization by the cells. This efficient assimilation makes the chia very effective during periods of rapid growth, as in children and adolescents. Chia is also helpful for the growth and regeneration of tissue during pregnancy and lactation, and for regeneration of muscle tissue for athletes, weightlifters, etc. Gluten-free. Unlike typical grain source proteins, chia protein contains no gluten. Chia is an ideal food for individuals having gluten sensitivity, carbohydrate intolerance, hypoglycemia, celiac disease, Crohn's disease, or for anyone wishing to avoid common gluten-containing grains like corn, barley, and wheat. Stays fresh. Chia contains the usual vitamin C, ferulates, and vitamin E. The real secret is the cinnamic acids that guard the omega-3 oils from oxidation. This is why chia is a stable product for years. Unlike flax seed, chia seed can be stored at room temperature for 4 to 5 years. Superfood for people with food allergies. Chia seed is great superfood for all people, including individuals exhibiting food allergies, food sensitivities, or food and chemical hypersensitivity. One study found no evidence of allergic response to chia even among individuals having peanut and tree nut allergies.